Now let's move on to the site information section. This is where you'll identify the exact location of your dig site using the interactive map. You have 3 options to choose from: street/address, intersection, or between intersections. Let's start with street/address. Use the street address option when you're working at a specific address, an address range, or a known point along a road that doesn't have a specific address. The state field will always be grayed out and default to NY, New York. UDIG NY covers all of New York State, except for Long Island and New York City. If you're working in the 5 boroughs or on Long Island, contact New York 811 at 800-2724-480. Next, you'll enter the county. Start typing the county where your job site is located. A drop-down list will appear. Select the correct match. If you're unsure of the county, you can skip ahead to the street address field. In the street address field, begin typing the address or the street name. A drop-down menu will show possible matches. Select the one that best fits your location. Doing so will automatically fill in the place and county fields. The place refers to the city or town where the job is located. This field is filled in automatically based on the address you selected. Important note: the place may refer to the municipality responsible for taxes, which is not always the same as the mailing address. Next, select the nearest intersecting street. Click into the field to see a drop-down of nearby cross streets. You can enter up to 2. Once selected, the map will update automatically. Your dig site will be shown in blue and the selected street in red. Use the plus and minus icons on the left side of the map to zoom in or out and verify the location. Let's start with locating your dig site using the intersection method. This option is best when you're working within 400 feet of a single intersection and staying within that limited range. Once selected, you'll notice the state field defaults to NY. This can't be changed. Begin by typing in the county, followed by the street address field. Here, enter the name of just one of the intersecting streets. A drop-down will appear. Simply select the correct street from the list. Once selected, the place field will automatically fill based on your street choice. If your street doesn't appear in the drop-down, you can manually type the municipality name, then press Tab to move to the cross-street field. In the cross-street field, you'll see a list of streets that intersect with your selected street. Choose the correct match to complete the intersection. If no intersection is found, you'll get a message: intersection not found. As you fill out this section, the map will update automatically, and your dig site will be highlighted in blue. Now let's look at another way to identify your dig location: the between intersections method. Use this option if your work spans an entire block, from one end of the street to the other. After selecting this method, you'll see the form update to allow entry of 2 cross streets instead of 1. Just like before, the state will default to NY. Start by entering the county, then the street address where the work will occur. Use the drop-down to choose the correct match, and the place will auto-populate. Next, select your first cross street from the drop-down list. Once chosen, the form will duplicate your entry area for the second intersection. Now enter your second cross street, which completes the span of the dig site. Important: if the second cross street is in a different municipality, you'll need to manually fill in the place field for that location. As you enter both intersections, the mapping tool will automatically highlight your dig area in blue, showing the full block coverage.